Okay, I got a nice little Zippo in today. Let's take a quick look at it. Of course, this one came in the nice little black Zippo box, and it was made in USA, and the label says Zippo logo. Made in Bradford, PA 16701. Nothing special about the box, except of course it's made in USA with the Zippo logo. Now this is supposed to be cerulean blue, and the main attraction on this one for me is the Zippo logo and that big flame. Now the only other one I got like this is the red flame. Same pattern, same logo, but in red. Nothing on the back of either one of them. Now this blue one was made in, let's see, D of 15. So that's April of last year. It's got a pretty good sound. It's not that great. It's got a steel insert. Lights up nice. Okay, let's do a drop test on this one. From about 18 inches. No damage. Still fires up. Okay, let's do a drop test with this thing lit from the same distance, about 18 inches. See if it's windproof. Okay, that stayed on, but I'm going to do it again. Okay, there's the drop test for the Zippo Cerulean blue. Now I do have a couple other examples of this cerulean blue. It's supposed to be kind of a deep ocean blue. This one's a little deeper. And another one, now this one's another logo with some flames on it. It's also just a little bit deeper. But all these blue ones are considered cerulean blue. And I'm going to put them up on my little display board over here for now. A couple of good examples of blue Zippos, logos. And one thing I noticed, the only blue I could come up with that really matched the Zippo Cerulean is this Lysol power-free toilet bowl cleaner. Comes real close to matching that Cerulean. I'm sure Zippo wouldn't like that comparison though. So Zippo, made in USA, definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.